It was a quiet afternoon at Leo's house.
Mom, I'm bored.
Maybe you can draw something.
Okay, Mom, I'll draw a rocket.
Then Leo noticed something on the table.
What is that? Mom, what's inside this box?
Leo, don't open that box.
Why not?
Just trust me.
Leo looked at the box again.
Maybe just a little look?
Leo waited for his mom to leave the room.
She's gone.
His curiosity grew stronger.
Just 1 second.
Slowly, Leo opened the box. Inside was an old toy.
This looks really old.
Leo examined the toy closely.
It's actually pretty cool.
Then Leo noticed something else inside the box.
What's this picture?
The photo showed a young boy holding the same toy.
Is that Dad?
Leo suddenly heard footsteps coming closer. Leo quickly looked toward the door.
Leo?
Emma noticed the open box on the table.
Leo, did you open the box?
Leo froze for a moment.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Leo felt very guilty.
Emma took a slow breath. That toy belonged to your dad. He loved it when he was your age.
Leo looked surprised.
Really?
Emma nodded slowly. We were saving it for your birthday.
Leo looked embarrassed.
I ruined the surprise.
Emma suddenly laughed softly.
It's okay, Leo. Curiosity is normal.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Sometimes mistakes can still bring a beautiful moment.